How do Ethereum and wrapped Ethereum move privately between Railgun and Pulsechain via LibertySwap, with nothing more than a single intent? Let's start on Ethereum. The user already holds Ethereum inside their Railgun shielded balance. The sender, the balance, and all internal Railgun activity are completely hidden from observers. Now the user decides they want wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain. Instead of building a complex route manually, they simply sign one intent that says, "I want to receive wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain." LibertySwap picks up the intent automatically. Behind the scenes, Ethereum is transferred out of Railgun and into LibertySwap's settlement system, still preserving full privacy. No one can see who sent the transaction, where it originated, or what the internal Railgun movements were. Our relay then executes the full settlement workflow. It handles the bridging, the routing, and delivers wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain directly to the user's wallet. From the user's perspective, it's simple. One intent, one confirmation. And within roughly 18 to 30 seconds, their private Ethereum inside Railgun becomes wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain. Only the final result is visible on-chain. Everything else stays hidden.
Now let's look at the reverse route, how wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain becomes private Ethereum inside Railgun with just a single intent. The user starts on Pulsechain, holding wrapped Ethereum in their public wallet. They want that value to become private again, so they simply sign one intent. I want to receive Ethereum inside Railgun. LibertySwap receives the intent and begins the automated workflow. Behind the scenes, our relay handles everything: the routing, the cross-chain settlement, and the delivery into Railgun. Within roughly 18 to 30 seconds, the user receives Ethereum directly inside their Railgun shielded balance. And here's the key point. The Ethereum that appears inside Railgun has no visible link to the wrapped Ethereum on Pulsechain. The sender is hidden. The amount is hidden. All internal Railgun activity stays completely private. One intent, one confirmation. And the user's public wrapped Ethereum becomes private Ethereum inside Railgun. Fast, automated, and fully private. If you liked this video, feel free to subscribe to Pulse Vision for more Pulsechain and LibertySwap tutorials.